Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's topic is about to create the custom tables in the ServiceNow. In previous videos, I have discussed about what is table and what are the different types of tables and how tables are related with other tables and the relationships about the tables among them. And I have discussed about all these topics in the previous videos. And now it is the time to discuss about the custom tables in ServiceNow. Before understanding what is custom table, in previous videos you have seen that types of tables are four. Actually, there are four types of tables in ServiceNow. First table type is base table, and following by extended table, and next core table and custom table. These are the four tables we have seen throughout the course. And the base table just refers as it is a table which is not extended by any table, but it is with the help of these tables, other tables can be extended. For example, if we consider task table, task table is in base table. Task table is not generated by extending with any other table. But using task table, you can generate any other tables. Means what I mean to say is you can generate or you can extend any tables from the task table. For example, incident table, which is an extended table from the task table. And moving forward, after the base table, we have extended tables. Extended tables are the tables which are extended by the other tables. For example, incident table. Incident table is extended from the task table. That means it inherits all the fields which have in the task table also. Okay. Third one is core table. These tables are created by ServiceNow defaultly, which you can't even delete them. Okay. For example, incident table, task table, change management, or problem management. These tables are such kind of tables which are created by ServiceNow itself. Okay. And finally, the last table is custom tables. Custom tables are created by system administrators or developers or the users. Okay. These tables are created by the ServiceNow admins and developers. So these tables can be deleted. So you can delete or whatever operations you can perform it. And this is about the theoretical stuff about the custom tables. I hope you have got clarity about the custom tables. What are the custom tables and how it across comes it. You have and just a representation of what is the custom table. Now going into the practical session, you can just come to know what is an custom table, how to create the custom table, how to create the fields in the custom table. Okay. Okay. In the previous videos, I have said many times that custom tables or you can access the tables by using tables in the application navigator. Under the system definition, you can see the tables. If you click the tables, you can see that all the tables in the service now are displayed. More than 6,000 tables are there in the service now. Okay. Not only tables, you can also type like sys underscore db underscore object. This underscore db underscore object dot list. You can also type like this so that you can see whatever tables are available, you can see them. And to create a new table, you can click here new. So you get a new form to create a table. So in a service now, in the service now database center, the data is stored. The data is stored in the format of tables. So if we create a table, first of all, a table structure is created in the database. Then after, when you insert the fields in the service now table which you have created recently, then the fields are inserted in the table. So the table get a structure with the fields. Now all the work you have to done is you have to insert the rows. The rows means nothing but records. A record is inserted in a table when you submit a form. When you submit a form with the details, a record is inserted into the table. Okay. This is about the theoretical knowledge. Going into the label, I will just give the table name as mm, laptop issues or connection network issues. Okay. Network issues means, for example, imagine a scenario that you have a Wi-Fi router in your house. Then the Wi-Fi router was not working. Okay, or then what will you do? You will just take the router and you will just go to the service center and you just want to solve the problem. So you give to the service center person. the service are the person having not only you as a single customer, you have many customers. So many customers comes with many different problems, right? So um, this network issues means, imagine you are running the own Wi-Fi center, and many customers are coming with their complaints. Okay, if so the each customer is raising an incident that their Wi-Fi is not working, or their Wi-Fi speed is slow, or their Wi-Fi money charges are very high. Like this type of problems they are raising. So you have to record the all of the incidents which are coming towards you. So I have created a table with network issues, and the table name will be automatically populated, and this has a global scope. Here U means user underscore table name. Here U means global scope. Okay, and I'm adding this to a module, and the module should be self-service. So if you keep it as self-service, then there is a benefit. I will show you in the upcoming process. And when you click on save, a table structure is created in the database. Okay, see the changes here. When you created a save, a table is created in the ServiceNow database. So here, what happening means, when you created a table, by defaultly some columns will be added in the table. Why this? Because ServiceNow, when you're creating a table, it adds some columns by defaultly. So those columns are like general columns which are like created by update system ID. SysID means nothing but a unique character ID which is 32-bit length. Okay, this is all about the creating a table and creating a structure in the ServiceNow database. Till now the ServiceNow with the defined table name, it is created a table structure in the database of the ServiceNow. Now the work is to insert the records. To insert the records, first of all you should have an fields in the table. When you have the fields in the table, then a record will be inserted. Without inserting the fields into the table, you can't insert the record, or you can't insert the data into the table. So first of all, you have to create the records. You have to create the fields. Already some fields are created. Okay. And the table name itself is network issues. So each customer who brings his complaint have their own name. Okay. Like customer name. Customer name is nothing but a string type. And customer customer phone number. Let us take the customer phone number. Customer phone number is nothing but integer type. Customer house number. Customer house number. Based upon the customer house number, you can decide where you can go and which house number is getting problem. So customer house number can be also an integer data type. It's no doubt. And customer router number or Wi-Fi box number. Customer router number integer. Uh, and you can also country, obviously, just to show you the choice field, I just choice field this is. And next upcoming is I can also insert mobile number, which is also more important. Mobile number. And also next one is customer email, and the email is also a string type. These that's it. That's it. Okay, these are enough, I think so. And after saving the record, the fields will be created in the table. And next thing you have to do is show form. If you click on show form, then you can insert a record into your table. So a form is created. I show how to create a table, how to create a table structure in the database. Now inserting a record into your table is also a simple thing. I will just open here. When you add, um, okay, when you add self-service module to your table, then here you can see that self-service is showing. So refreshing it many times, you can see your network issues here. So, and previously I had bike showrooms, laptop issues, mobile issues, Wi-Fi issues. I have added all these in previous time, and you can also see that the network issues is also added now. That means adding module means adding it to any of the modules in the application navigator so that you can go through it and you can access it easily. Okay. And next thing is router number is I will just want to give an as 780 768, and email something random, gmail.com, and customer mobile number is 79899716. Okay, this is a random number. Why balance? Okay, then I have to change the data type of this. Okay, the reason why you getting the commas here means it is an integer, so it automatically generates the commas. It is not a big issue, so you can configure dictionary. You can click on the right. Okay, changes may not be saved. No worries. We can again fill the form. No worries, and configure dictionary. Then I will just change the data type. Why? Because the phone number should be different data type. So I will just check here, and you have the data type called phone numbers. So just click on the phone number. Then you can accept the phone number. So just clicking save here, and I will just duplicate the page. If I am getting faster, just intimate me. So I will just explain you very slower, or no problem. I will explain very slower from now, and just clicking on network issues, you can see that no records are inserted due to you just created a table with different fields like C name, C house number, and you can also personalize and you can change the order of this. For example, I will just always give the reference to customer name after customer email, after customer house mobile number or phone number, anything is fine, and house router number and country, house number, uh, customer name, email, country, house number, mobile number. I think it is looking good right now. I customize it like this, and I am inserting the data into this so that uh, you can also personalize your form also. Hmm, why an empty field is created here? Configure, form layout, form layout. Customer name I need first of all. Customer name after the customer name, customer email. I should take the customer email and the customer house number. I should need then after mobile number or phone number is anything okay. So I'll just sending this to this side, and country after house number, router number, email after phone number is right. I think so. Name, email, phone number, then house number, country, router number. Router number after house number, country. It is better to have like this. So then save. Okay. Now you can also insert the data here. Customer name like Praveen. Name email like something random email. Phone number be like 79899 something phone number. Router number 90. House number 34. And country you have didn't configure, right? So right click on again it on and configure dictionary. Again the changes will not be saved. So first of all I save this form, and now I will just open the configure dictionary. So there will be no problem. So my data when I save it will be same like this. So there is no need of again entering the same data. Next one choices, and choices you can add the data like country I have chosen India, and next one is America, and next one is about Japan, and here the value is India, and here the value is America, here the value is JPN. Okay, these are all values I have inserted here. And next, I will just open the. Okay, before opening that, I have to come back again. I have to come back again. Now I can choose the country here with the same details. Again, the phone number is changed, right? Okay, I will just again configure it. Just give me a minute. America, the phone number type is changed. Okay, I have changed the mobile number. Right. Instead, integer. Why only integer is showing? Okay, no worries. No worries, no worries. Instead, what should I do? Instead, I just configure again. Configure form designer, form layout. It is better to open form layout. Form layout. Where is the mobile number? Phone number I have sent here, and I will bring my mobile number. Mobile number. I bring mobile number here and take it to phone number. I didn't need. So now save. Now save and okay. Why? My number. Okay, I think the field was different. Okay. I think the field was different completely. It better to avoid this now. It is better to avoid this now. Mobile number. Okay, it is better to avoid this now and do the form just for understanding purpose, right? Now I have insert this. I will insert this data update. Now the data is inserted, right? 34. See mobile number, phone number. Now the data is inserted like this. And the thing is, if you want to generate an auto number, what is an auto number means? If I open the incident dot list, if I open the incident dot list, you can see the incidents. After creating or after submitting every incident in the service now, in every table, a records will be formed like this. And this you can see that INC000 is an incident number, which means it is an auto number generating every time. So to generate the auto number, it is very simple. You can go to the network issues table. You can go to the network issues table. Currently, you're in that page only, and you have to click on configure and configure. After configure, you have to click on the table view, and after clicking on the table, you can see that the button here control, and you have to click on the auto number so that it will show the auto number, and the table name is just starting with the network issues, so it will create an auto number starting with NET, and length 7 is just too much length, so I just decided to put it with 4. And now saving with this, you can get an auto number while separating the submitting the form every time. So if you see that removing this tab is better. Just for explanation, I have opened that thing, and service now. Just I will again open the network issues here. In the network issues, if you submit any form, you can see the number here. You can also personalize this. That means you can send this to the upper side. So you can also personalize this. Again, the same process, configure and the form layout and you can see the number as here, which is in the bottom. So number should be always like a leader. Number should be always like a leader, which is like a primary key in the table. Primary key in the table. Now the number is changed here, and the C name is Sai, and the email is something the rate gmail.com, and the router number is 45, and the house number is 46, and the country is India. And if I submit here, you can see a record there. You can see a record there, but you can't see the number, which is the auto number generated, right? So if you click you can click here, and you can see the list as personalized, because in the form in the form you have changed, but in the list you didn't personalize it. So in the list also you are personalizing, then you can see that the number is displayed. So you can also get a clarity about the list personalization and the form personalization also. This is a way to create the auto number. And till now you have seen about what is the custom table, and from how much types the custom table is coming from, and how to create the custom table and how to create the fields and what is an auto number. Till now you have seen all of these. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have learned something new from this video. And let us continue from the next videos, and more videos are coming from now, because I have decided to do two videos for each day with understanding and implementation with myself. And also after completing the recording, I will upload